Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Teenager Who Cooks. Today, for a Thanksgiving party that we're going to be making tiramisu. So let's get started. So what we want to do is we have a pot that's like barely simmering with water, and we'll put our egg yolks, 6 large egg yolks in, and add in the sugar. And then you want to whisk until the sugar is dissolved. There is 3/4 cups of sugar and 6 large egg yolks here. At this point, we're gonna add in 1/4 cup of milk and whisk really fast until it's nice and foamy. So our custard is pretty light and foamy now. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just set the entire bowl. We're just gonna set the entire bowl into another bigger bowl of iced water. And then we're gonna stir it in the bowl for around 1 minute until the custard is cool. Now we're gonna fold in our custard mixture into the mascarpone cheese. So we'll just add it in, and here we're gonna fold it into the cheese. Everything is almost combined, so now we're just gonna take a whisk and whisk it together until smooth. Do not over whisk though. So here we have a big bowl of super strong coffee. Some people may use a little bit of alcohol, but that's not kid friendly, so we're not gonna do it. So here we have a bunch of ladyfingers, and then we're gonna basically dip the ladyfingers super fast in coffee, and we're just gonna lay it in our pan, dip, lay, dip, lay. We'll continue doing this until the pan is covered with coffee ladyfingers. And then we'll cover it with a layer of the custard. Now we'll repeat the same process again. Now we're going to repeat it for the 3rd time. And then we'll have our final layer of custard. Now we'll just try to get it into all one smooth layer. And we can wipe off the edges later. And then we have our little tool. We have our icing spreading guy. Just get a smooth, nice finish on our tiramisu. Rotate a little bit. Now it looks so smooth and professional. The last step is we'll sprinkle on some cocoa powder. Alright. In the spirit of Thanksgiving, we've made a little turkey cutout. And we've sprinkled some powdered sugar here. And so instead of the average chocolate little dusting, we're gonna have like a white turkey inside of some chocolate dust. Now that our turkey is on, I'm gonna take some chocolate, cocoa powder. I'm just gonna dust it all over the tiramisu. Just like that. And then, let me get a few more spots. when we reveal our turkey. So our tiramisu is basically done. Our turkey came out pretty nice. We put an eye on there. And just as like the feathers on its back, we're gonna add some colorful candy corn. And that's our turkey tiramisu. So, because I'm actually going to 2 parties today, we've prepared these little red velvet cupcakes, and we have a bag full of icing, chocolate icing. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make little turkeys like this, with eyes, little candy eyes, candy corn, and some orange M&Ms. So, let's start piping. Alright, my piping is not very neat because I'm not strong enough to push everything out. But now we'll take like 5 pieces of candy corn, have one on top, one on the side, another on the side. Now we'll have 2 little eyes. And then orange nose. Uh-oh. Yes. And then just as a finishing touch, we have this red decorating icing. And just give him a little thingamabob. Very good. And that's how we're gonna make all our turkey cupcakes. So we have both our Thanksgiving desserts ready. We have our red velvet turkey cupcakes and our turkey themed tiramisu. So we hope everyone has a happy Thanksgiving, and if you enjoyed this video of Teenager Who Cooks, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode of Strawberry Bread. Shout out to my biology class. Looking at you, Anish.